Oh, hello. I have been waiting for you. Follow me. I have had dreams of the great beaver telling me the time is now to tell my tale. Wait for the human who walks the path above your lodge, my dream said. She will come, and you can tell her. Beaver said, I have been waiting. Here you are. Come into my lodge of dreams. This is a large tale, but I will attempt to chew it down to size. My people have lived here, lived many places, since before you were. We held the water and earth together forever, for all creatures. This river canyon, where you find yourself, has many names, but my people call it Turnaround River. I hear it is the longest free-flowing river in this land. I'll trust the humans on that fact. What I know is that this river is so rugged and canyon so steep, it has turned back the newcomer people over and over for 200 years. And this is the reason I am still here to tell this story to you. You newcomers are always speaking of progress, pressing forward at all costs. But from the beaver's view, your progress has meant our demise. Yet here, right at this rapid, outside my ancestral lodge, this is a place with the power to turn around the explorer, the prospector, and the rancher. Yet I am still here. This place is where that one your culture calls Clark, of Lewis and Clark, whom your culture claims as great explorers. But if you ask other cultures in their path, they would call them something else. In 1805, these strangers were determined to follow this river to the great ocean. But this exact place made life so difficult for them, they turned back to look for an easier way. Fine with me. My ancestors have told me their side of this tale, and said they smelled like trouble anyway. Then, soon after, more newcomers came with big ideas. They tried to make a life on this river, like me, but it never worked out, and they each turned around and left me alone. There was one wife, brought here by her rock-picking husband. She wasn't very happy, so she planted irises to ease her loneliness, while he had a dream of his own. Not a good recipe for success in this canyon, so they left. Good riddance. They fought all the time anyway. My people have watched for generations as your folk have tried to mine and farm and run cattle in here. Lucky for me, the weather and the water turned them around too. And yet, while in so many other places fur traders, farmers, and ranchers have killed off most of my kin, yet I call this rocky riverside my peaceful home. Well, in the summers there are funny people who ride down the river on bark floats, but they don't bother me. They float by and then turn around and go back to their own lodge somewhere else. Storms come quick round here. You better go. Come back if you want. That is, if you tell my tale to your friends while you're gone.